time to do our speed sounds. I need you to make sure you've got your whiteboard and pen or a piece of paper and a pencil with you. I'm going to say the sound and I want you to write the sound. The first one is T, T, T. Can you write T? I'm going to do it now. Down the tower, across the tower. T. Down the tower, across the tower. T. Does your T look like that? Next one is K for caterpillar. K, K, K. I'm going to do mine. Curl around the caterpillar. K. Curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Does your K look like that? Next one. H. I'm going to do mine now. Okay, ready? Down the head to the hooves and over his back. H. H. Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Down the head to his hooves and over his back. Does your H look like that? Time for the next one. Ah, like ants on the arm. Ah. I'm going to do mine. Round the apple, down the leaf. Ah. Ah. Round the apple, down the leaf. Ah. Does your ah look like this? Next one, we've got D, 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 D for dinosaur. I'm going to do mine. Round his bottom, up his tall neck, down to his feet. D, D. There he is. D. Round his bottom, up his tall neck, down to his feet. Does your D look like that? Next one. For flower. I'm going to do mine. Ready? Down the stem and draw the leaves. Down the stem and draw the leaves. Does yours look like that? We've got two more. This one is a tricky one. It's E. E for egg. I'm going to do mine here. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. E. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Eh, does yours look like that? Final sound is R for robot. Have a go. Down his back, then curl over his arm. Down his back, then curl over his arm. Does yours look like that? Let's point and say them. T, k, h, a, d, f, e, r. Can you do that on your board or your paper now?